Hey, what's up guys, I'm back and a lot has happened in the past 24 hours. In case you missed the previous video, we got the actual Galaxy S20 Plus images including the front and back of the phone. All the credit goes to one man, and that is Max from XDA. Thanks to his source, we now have more information about the Galaxy S20 family, particularly the S20 Ultra model. This is the model which is going to be the ultimate best of Samsung. So according to Max, the Galaxy S20 Ultra could be the first phone in the world to have 16GB of RAM. Yes, this is absolutely insane. According to Ice Universe, all the Galaxy S20 models will have 12GB of RAM as their default configuration, and if you want more, you could go up to 16GB of RAM, and apparently that will be only exclusive to the S20 Ultra model. It's gonna be available in 3 storage options: 128, 256, 512GB, and eventually up to 1TB. The 108 megapixel custom Samsung sensor along with 48 megapixel 10x optical zoom will only be exclusive to the Ultra model. There will be a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens along with a TOF sensor, the biggest battery on Samsung flagship ever, which is 5000, along with 45 watts of fast charging, meaning you can get 0 to 100% in about 74 minutes. It's gonna be interesting to see if Samsung ships out the 45 watts fast charger in the box this time around, or they might just keep it to 25 watts. It's gonna be interesting to see that at the time of release. He also found this image while digging through the software, which basically confirms the overall look of the camera setup. If you read the text, it says space zoom 100x. We talked about this a couple of months ago. Obviously, this is going to be a software zoom. The real zoom will be up to 10x, and then maybe up to 20x. It could do hybrid, and all the way up to 100x. That's just gonna be software, but it's insane how much the zoom level will be on this phone. You could get some insane close-up shots of things that are really far away. Now, like I said, 10x optical zoom plus 108 megapixel sensors exclusive to the Ultra model, but the normal model will get some nice stuff as well. So you will see a brand new 12 megapixel 1.8 micrometer pixel size sensor, which is going to improve the low light performance massively. Not only that, they will get an upgrade with the zoom lens as well. So you're going to get a 64 megapixel telephoto lens that could perform up to 6x lossless zoom and then go all the way up to 30x. There's an ultra wide angle lens and a TOF sensor. Now, Galaxy S20 is the only model that is missing the time of flight sensor. Other than that, it is keeping a very seriously awesome camera setup. Now, Max continued to spill the beans thanks to his awesome source, which revealed that there is a 8K video recording option in the camera settings. So this is now 100% confirmed that Galaxy S20 family will be the first phones in the world to have the 8K 30 frames per second video recording option. In addition to that, you also get 4K 60 FPS and 4K 30 FPS. As far as the front camera is concerned, these devices are still using the 10 megapixel that Samsung introduced on last year's model, so you will still be able to record front camera 4K videos, which is nice. There's a brand new feature called Smart Selfie Angle, which will allow you to take wider angle selfies. Also, there is a single take photo feature which has been demoed by Max as well. This basically shows that through AI, Galaxy S20 camera will take multiple photos in variety of different angles. You just have to move your phone, and once it's done, you're gonna have a different set of photos. Pro video mode is confirmed, which will allow you to change stuff like aperture, white balance, ISO, autofocus, all of that to create some high quality videos. Samsung will also be bringing the audio zoom feature of the Note 10 family to the Galaxy S20 family. There's a brand new microphone update, so that will improve the audio quality in your videos. With all this amazing good news, there is a bad news. According to Ice Universe, Samsung won't be giving us the option to have 2K resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. So now you can only use 120Hz refresh rate option with full HD plus resolution. If you go up to 2K, then the display will go back to 60Hz, not even 90Hz. There is no middle point. It's either 60 or 120Hz. Now, I have already given my opinion on this on Twitter. Basically, I don't mind using the phone at 1080p resolution with 120Hz. Whether it conserves battery or not is still not gonna affect the display that much compared to Quad HD resolution. For me personally, it doesn't make that much of a difference. Now, this is a software enabled feature. I mean, Samsung can enable this feature afterwards. It would be nice to have that option and just let users decide what to do. But yeah, Samsung is taking this step, and maybe there is a strong reason behind it. We'll find that out soon. Also, there is information regarding the Galaxy Z Flip, which is the next clamshell foldable phone, and according to Max, it's gonna have the ultra thin glass, which is something we already know. But in addition to that, Samsung will be using the plastic as well for extra protection. So that's all the news we have on the S20 family. The S20 Ultra in particular is looking like a damn beast. Imagine having 16 gigs of RAM on a smartphone. Are you crazy? This is insane. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.